Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Please click the subscribe button below and click on that bell icon because it will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So guys, in today's video we're going to be making beef jollof rice. Guys, I have been having so much of chicken and yes, chicken and turkey or turkey gizzard, but I'm craving for a good old fried beef jollof rice. So that is what we're going to be making today. You know that jollof rice that you eat in the party? Fried beef jollof rice. That is what your girl wants. So let's get over there and get started for our cooking today. I'll take you guys over there and I will introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. So are you ready? Because I am so ready. Yeah. Guys, this is our ingredients for today. So we have the sweet long pepper with white onions. I'm going to be using this plum tomato. I have 3 of them here. I have 3 of the tomato, and yeah, I have curry and thyme. I have this mix seasoning. It is absolutely lovely in stew and in jollof rice. I have my jollof chicken, salt, I have Maggi, I have this onions, and I have vegetable oil. And yeah, this is our rice. It's easy cook long grain rice. That is what we're going to be using for today's recipe. So yeah, let's get over to our meat. So guys, this is our meat. I absolutely love buying beef that has like tiny pieces of bone. I don't know why, but I grew up eating it like this. My mom always buy like beef with bone or biscuit bone. Yeah, so I love beef with pieces of bone here and there. So that is our beef. There's onions in there. I'm going to wash my hand and we'll start adding our seasoning. We are going to add curry. We're going to add thyme, our jollof chicken. We're going to add our mixed spice. We're going to add salt. We're going to add Maggi, 3 Maggi. So now we will cover our pot and I'll put on the stove and we will start cooking our meat. So guys, our meat is now on the stove. The next thing that I'm going to do right now is to blend all my tomato. So I'm going to blend this with the tomato together. I'll blend all of them together. Okay, so guys, while our meat has started boiling, I'm going to also parboil the rice before I go and start blending the tomato. So yes, I'll add water in this. So I've added water in it. I am going to just parboil it for 5 minutes, even less than 5 minutes. Just once the water is hot, I'll take it out and I'll go and wash it out. Over here, this is our tomato in the blender. So we are going to blend the tomato. In here I have the onions and the sweet red pepper. So I'm going to blend them. So now we are done blending it. I am going to pour it in this pan, and I have a little more of the onions and the pepper and 1 tomato. So I'm going to blend these ones as well. So I'll take that one out and pour it inside the pan. So now guys, I'm going to take out this rice and go and wash it out, and I'm going to add my tomato so my tomato can start boiling and drying all the water. So yes, let me go and wash the rice, and when I wash the rice, I'll set the rice aside until it's time for me to start cooking the jollof rice. So guys, we are going to add a little bit of water in our meat. It has been boiling now for 10 to 15 minutes, and still have a tiny water, but I want to add water because I don't want it to burn. So yes, so because this beef is a soft beef, like literally it's very soft, look at it, another 10 minutes or 15 minutes I will stop cooking it because it is a soft beef, and I don't really like my beef that soft. Like, I just don't like when the meat is too soft. I still like to chew my meat. For some reason, I'm that person that like chewy meat. So guys, after 30 minutes, our meat is out from the pot. It is very soft meat, so I don't need to cook it anymore. Okay, so yes, our meat is out from the stove. We are going to start frying our meat. So over to the stove, I have that small pot. I'm going to start using it to fry our meat, and then over here our tomato is still bubbling away. Remember, I want to boil this tomato until all the water in it has completely gone off. So at the moment, we're going to focus our attention on this small pot so we can use it to start frying our meat. So I'm going to allow the pot to dry out, then I'll add my oil. So now guys, we'll start adding our oil. We will allow it to get hot a bit before we start adding our meat. So guys, we are going to start adding our meat. So guys, it is time to take out our meat. I'm going to add the last one in the hot oil, and I'm going to finish frying it. So guys, I am done frying the meat. That is the meat there. It is all fried, yeah. Okay, and this is my tomato. My tomato is dry now, so it is time for us to start frying our tomato. So back to that pot, I have taken out loads of oil from that pot. I am going to add onions. So now guys, we are going to add our tomato. After frying our onions for like 2 to 3 minutes, we add our tomato. So guys, that is our tomato in there. We are going to fry this tomato for about 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, after 15 minutes, it's time to start adding our seasoning. So we're going to add our curry, add our thyme, our mixed seasoning, and we will mix that. So So guys, we'll give it another 1 minute and we'll take it out from the stove. So guys, after 1 minute of adding our seasoning inside the tomato, I have taken the tomato out from the stove and I'm going to start adding it inside here, okay, so we can start cooking our jollof rice. So we add all our tomato in here. We will mix. Okay, now it is time to start adding all the other stuff in here. So I'm gonna add Maggi. I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add dry chili. And now I will add our clean washed rice. So we give that a mix. So I will definitely add a bit more water to the rice. So I've added a little more water to the rice. Okay. And yes. Okay guys, now we're going to cover this rice and cook this rice for like 20 minutes. So I'm going to move it back to the stove and yes, we'll keep cooking our rice. So guys, this is our rice. It has been cooking now for like 20 minutes. I'm going to check if it's soft. It's still a tiny bit hard, not too hard, but a tiny bit. But I noticed there is no salt, so I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt as well. I'll just give it another 5 minutes on the stove and yes, this rice will be ready. After 5 more minutes, our jollof rice is ready. It's very ready and the aroma is smelling so good. And it's tasting so good, guys. This is the real deal, the real jollof rice. So yes, this is where today's recipe is going to end. Hey, so guys, this is our jollof rice and our fried meat and it is looking so delish. It is looking so delicious. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. I hope you enjoyed this cook with me video because I totally enjoy doing it. And guys, the jollof rice and the fried meat, they're just yelling out, eat me, eat me, eat me. So yeah, I can't wait to kind of dive in and eat it. So yeah, it has been a long time I had jollof rice and fried meat, so I'm in the mood of fried meat kind of section today. So yeah, I hope you stay tuned for what is coming up next in my next video. So guys, I'm going to love you and leave you. Let me go and you know what. Anyway guys, thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. And guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Giving me a thumbs up actually tell YouTube that you guys like this video, that I'm doing, you know, kind of a good job making this video. So yeah, don't forget to give a thumbs up. It means a lot getting a thumbs up, so then YouTube is gonna recommend it to some other people because it's getting a good thumbs up. Anyway guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next. Bye.